good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Master Bachelor 101. As you all know, remember what I mentioned last week? I mentioned HON. I told you guys it's gonna get running, and then when it's running, it's gonna get running fast and big. Then guess what happened? It ran. So basically, today is finally touched the 217. If you bought option call when I told you to, when I mentioned to buy it, it was at 50 cents, right? 50 cents. Right now it's on 104. Yesterday was 1.5. So basically, right now you're up 300% at least. And if you saw the yesterday, you were up to 500%. So that's what I'm telling you. I'm mentioning every time. This is an easy way to get 500%. I catch up earlier so I can make money and profit easy. That's what I'm saying. Use your scanner, and the scanner I use is a guarantee 500% daily. So basically, that's why I'm not worried about the market because my scanner work perfectly fine, and I'm happy for it. And then guys, I'm only gonna pick one stock or two stock, like mostly daily. So basically, you can be part of it, and also you can see which stock I'm watching, and then you can play on major role. And as you can see today as well, Powell gonna talk. And as you all know, volatility on the rise. Every time Powell gonna talk is a volatility. So they're gonna focus on inflation key. They're gonna focus on a lot of things. They're gonna focus on job report. They're gonna focus on how the market maneuver and so on and so forth. But me in this case, the volatility is gonna be interesting. But the market really gonna focus really on Tesla and Bitcoin because when rate cut happen is good for stock, but it's not good for the bonds market. And usually the bonds usually have to drop. But you see the last time when it happened, the bond stopped rising back again. That's made the Fed losing control. And that's why Powell, even though he tried gonna be a rocket, a rate cut. So basically it has to be able to keep the market moving in, because at the end of the day he want to keep his job. So I don't know if it's gonna be strong enough before the election to keep him. But if the market is dropped today, it's gonna look bad for Powell, and I think his job is in line. And I think even though whatever he decide, the market gonna rally. That's my intake, and to protect his job. This is how politics as it is. It has nothing to do with it. And the stock I'm watching today and for tomorrow or next week is this stock XLV. XLV, as you can see, is dropping a little bit, and the next thing you know is move up. If you go to the profile of XLV, is a healthcare department. So basically it's generally about health sector, and then at least 94 auto asset is secure compliant index. So basically is biotechnology and science tool and services and healthcare. So basically if you want the stock that's really gonna biotechnical and healthcare, you're gonna talk about Enphase. Enphase is gonna be one of them. If you think about Enphase, let me see. Enphase is one that about yeah, Enphase is one to start, and I think for it's gonna be dropping car dramatically since Enphase is biotech. And as you can see, yesterday after the news, let me see. Yesterday after the news, on the daily, yesterday after the news, it dropped dramatically. You see, it went from 89 to 73. Jesus Christ! Let me see the option put. The option put are killing it. Damn. I feel bad for the option call on this one because this is 1,000% right there. Damn, that's killing it. Yeah, those those drop are insane, and it's crazy. Yes, and the stock I'm watching also is Tesla. Tesla is gonna I don't know, it's go to 300. It's gonna go to 300. Most likely it will. And basically that's the beauty after the election. It went from 246 to 300. So people gonna be happy about it. If you do option call, congratulations, because you're killing it since yesterday, and you can see getting 100% again today. Jesus. So let me get it straight. They won 1,000% yesterday, and today they got another 100%. So basically, if you held, you probably got 2,000%. So this is beautiful, guys. You if you're doing for wherever buying option on Tesla option call, you deserve it. Do you cash that in because you're long deserved. And then if you go 300, guys, hey, make that money, make that bread. And I'm glad, guys, you're making money. It's about time the market shift. It's about time to make it money. You know is what it is. But me, I don't do stuff that's above my scanner. The one I do it is for my scanner, and I use it for 300 or 500%. So basically, by tomorrow, the market gonna go rally regardless of the whatever Powell said, because he want to protect his job, and especially Trump is high in the office, so he want to have a fresh memory, fresh stuff with Trump. So he's gonna get that pepped up with the market, get the market rally for today so they can cool off. Even though tomorrow they gotta be pulled the block. I think Monday they probably pulled the block for the Monday, but today and tomorrow they're not gonna have that conflict, because they don't want that people to have a bad taste or bad outlook. They'll be like, oh, Trump is right to fire him because look at the market how it's gonna turn out today, right after the Fed talk, and look at how bad it is. So that's the idea, and I think Powell catch it, and I think Powell is gonna do what he's gonna do. And let's see. Remember I said this one, yeah, the market gonna rally. You see, this one's keep moving up. You see, it's almost crossed. The stochastic is almost crossed. It's right here. You see. So basically, so I believe it's gonna go up, and I think if we go to 600, congratulations. If it doesn't go, it probably 597. That's the next stop. So basically, we're gonna say we all know now SP 500 is Kaiser limit. We all know for now, because now Trump is gonna buy in the office, and the market gonna be like, hey boy, give me that money, and then people are gonna be interested in that. And you can see SON, it went to 17, 277, I mean 217. They're trying to go back to 217 point. I don't know if we can go to 70.5. So basically, it's a good thing. The highest one was to 22. I don't know if we go to 222. So basically, this is the beauty of the market. So if you held on enough, you make money. Sheesh, is almost, see, now it's 125. Woohoo! See, if you hold right now, you have 400%. Easy money, easy money, easy money, easy money. One or two stock. If you do 400, to see it's 270 right now. You see, you already passed 150. Boom! I told you 500%, 500%, and it's easy money. Put one stock and you get 500% every week. Ooh, from $30 to 150. Next week, now you can put $100 on the side, so you can invest $100. Gonna be $500, and then you put $500, $500, and the final is 10K. So easy. Let me see, 2,500 times 5, easy 10K in 1 month, easily, 500%, easily. But the thing is, you gotta find which stock to buy. That's your work. That's your homework. So you use the scanner, and this is what you have to come along and then have exposure to find the stock that's before they run through. Right now, I'm doing SLV, which is the one that's gonna be easily to manipulate. That one I bought this one this morning is 199.5, which is gonna run today. So basically, I love to buy between the highest I go if it's 60. That's the highest I go for the day is $60. It's just that, as you can see right here, it crosses right here today, is touching, and then I know once it touch it right here, it's gonna go skyrocketing, because remember last time they touched it, it went from 450 and it closed to 151, and the next day it went all the way to almost 153. So if you cross it right there, and it's already, you went today almost a higher. Yesterday it was 150.90. Today it dropped 149, and then tomorrow it'll probably break that to 151 or 150. So when you go to 150, 150, tomorrow is Friday, and I bought by the 159. I'm still making money, baby. I don't care whatever the news going on, but I know for a fact they're gonna push the market up high. And look at that, like I say, see, SON to 17.5, and you see SP 500 on 595.5, and you can see 100. And you see, you know, you gotta know, this is the cycle. Trading is psychology. Pick a stock that's been low, and then next thing you know, buy it cheap, and then hold for the following weeks, and then let it come to you. By the time people realize it about it, you are already gone, and then you take your profit with that 300% to 500% quickly and easily. So that's how I train it, that's how I plan it, that's how I'm gonna do it. And every day, every now and then you can be part of it. And guys, if you're not question and stuck on you to me to check on with my scanner if it's a good fit, join the video, I'll be glad to. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm just mentioning which stock I like to watch, which stock I like to buy, and then you can join and also you can make money together as well. I'll be glad they are welcome you to do so as well. And then you're able to make money together and grow a portfolio and escape the rabbit gold. And guys, thank you for watching, and that's the next one.